Okay, so we're going to use the Cuisenaire rods to model addition and subtraction. And first we're going to identify the value of each rod. And so if our first rod is going to be 1, our white rod is 1, the red is 2, the light green would be 3, and so forth, and you go down to the orange rod, and that would be 10. And with that being said, we can model the addition. And first we're going to model the problem 3 plus 4, which would be our light green, which is our 3, plus 4, which is our purple. Now to solve this problem, there are several ways that, various ways that we can find the answer. One way that we can do this is to use the rod chart to find the length that has the equivalent length to our problem. And in this case, it would be 7, or the black rod. And the black rod, which is our 7, gives us 7. Okay? And then another way that we can model it is using our white rods, because since we know that the white rod equals 1, we can just add a rod to each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 3, the light green plus the purple gives us 7 blacks, or 1 black. Or you can say the light green plus the purple rod gives us 7 white rods. Okay. And now, to model a different addition problem, we can say 3 plus 6. Once again, we're going to use our light green, which is equivalent to our 3, plus 6, which is the color, one moment, dark green. Okay, so we have our light green, once again, that is the value of 3, plus the dark green, which is the value of 6. And so you're going to 3 plus 6. And we could do the same thing. We can find out the answer the same way we did for 3 plus 7, and that is to use our rods to find the length that is equivalent to 3 plus 6. And in that case, it would be our blue rod, which is 9. And as we put it up here, you can see that the blue rod is equivalent to the light green rod and the dark green rod together. And once again, another way to model the answer, or to find the answer, is to take 9 white rods, because they're equivalent to 1, and you would get 9. That's 6, and just take 3 more. Okay, and there you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and now that's been established, we can do our addition. Our subtraction. Okay. First, we're going to model 10 minus 7, okay? And when we look on our, using our rod chart, which is out of order, let me put it back together real quick. Okay, when we look at our rods chart, we're going to use the orange minus the 7, which is our black. So 10 minus 7, or the orange rod, we're going to, That's how it goes. So you can see the missing pieces, okay? So you have the orange rod minus the black rod, okay? And to solve this equation, one way that you can find the answer is to, for this missing part, you can take these right rods, okay, and fill in the blank, okay? So you have 1, you have 2, and you have 3, okay? So an orange rod minus a black rod gives us 3 right rods, okay? Or you can replace the 3 white rods with a light green rod, okay? Or you can just do it that way, okay? So there are different ways that you can model to find the answer for 10 minus 7, okay? And then our other problem is 6 minus 4, which is we have 4 minus, we have 6 minus 4, okay, which is the dark green rod minus the purple rod, okay? And as I said before, for the 10 minus 3, one way that you can model to your students is to use the white rods to fill in the blank, to make it, to fill in the length, or to fill in the space. And then gives us 2 rods, okay? So it's dark green minus a purple gives us 2 rods left. Or you can replace the 2 rods with the red rod, because we know that the red rod is 2, and it also equals to 2 white rods, okay? So the dark green rod minus the minus the purple rod gives us a red rod or 2 white rods. And that concludes my explanation of how to solve addition and subtraction using the Cuisenaire rods.